So I've been seeing this style all over TikTok and Pinterest, so I decided to try it out. Let's go ahead and get into it. The hair that I'll be using in today's video is from Curlsqueen, so let's go ahead and unbox it. I don't know about y'all, but I love when companies take the time to like really put effort into their packaging. To me, it just sets the mood for what to expect in the quality of the hair. So with the hair, you do get a thank you note and a pouch full of goodies. You get a detangling brush, a bonnet, and some extra clips in case you need to replace one of your clips on your clip-ins. So for this install, I'll be wearing 16 inches of their water kinky curly textured clip-ins. I only use one set of their clip-ins, which comes with 10 pieces, and it gives you a nice full look, which is one bundle of hair, and this is 100% human hair. I'll have all of the information for this hair in my description box, as well as a discount code, so definitely check that out. Let's go ahead and get into the install. So this style is pretty much just 4 zigzag parts that we're going to be doing in separate directions. So for this first area, I just started like towards the center of my head and just made a diagonal part all the way until like the top of my ear. After parting this section, I just used some edge control, and I'm going to put that on like the perimeters of my hair, and this is just to help mold all of the hairs that'll be going into the braid. This will help it lay down. It'll make the braiding process a lot easier because all of the hair will be grouped into one little area. So this style can kind of look a little intimidating when you first see like pictures of it, because it seems like it's a lot of parting, a lot of zigzag things going on, but it's really not that hard like once you break it down and put your hair into sections. While you're braiding, don't forget to leave your edges out, because we're going to be coming to that later on in the video. After finishing up that braid, I'm going to get started on my next row, and to part it, I pretty much started the part maybe like the top middle of the first braid, so not exactly the middle, just a little above that, and then I parted that side to my other ear. I really wish that I could go further into detail with you guys about how to scalp braid. I may do another video and try to really break it down for y'all. I just kind of learned over the years just with practice and trial and error, but I will say using edge control definitely helps, because like I said, it just makes the hair like already kind of stick together, so it's a lot easier to braid it down. So I went ahead and did those same steps to the next couple sections of my hair. I'll just be parting it, adding the edge control, and braiding it down. Now it is time to add the clip-ins. Again, these are 16-inch clip-ins from Curlsqueen. This is the water kinky curly texture. It's actually one of their new textures, which I think is gorgeous. I love the curl pattern on this. So let's install the first row of the clip-ins. So if you were able to get through the braiding, then this part will definitely be a breeze. It is so easy to install. You literally just open up the clip-in, you clip it onto your hair or your braids, and then you snap it back and it holds the clip-ins in place. So I ended up using 8 pieces of the 10-piece set that I was sent. I definitely didn't need all 8 pieces because it definitely did give me like a full look after I added about 6 of them, but I did just want to go ahead and see how many I can fit, and I like big hair, so I just wanted to add as many as I could. I started off with the longer rows first, and then once I worked my way up, I moved down to the smaller pieces. Like as you can see, this one was a 3-piece, and so as I got to the smaller sections, I used the smaller lengths. And as I mentioned, I do like big hair, so I just wanted to kind of fluff the hair out a little more. This hair definitely comes ready to go, so you really don't have to do much manipulation to it, but I just wanted mine to be like a bigger, more voluminous kind of look. So I decided to separate the curls. I just went through each section and just kind of put my finger through the curls just to separate them. And just to give the hair a little more moisture and get rid of the frizziness, I'm going to be using some moisturizer, some setting mousse, and I also did use just a tad bit of water, and I'm going to be putting this all over the hair. I don't know if you guys can tell, but in this part I did have my hair left out because I was going to do a leave out look, but ended up not liking it because my hair decided to act up on this day. Y'all know how hair is sometimes. My hair didn't want to do right, so I was like, okay, you're getting braided up and we're gonna do a no leave out look. So to achieve the no leave out look, instead of flipping the clip-ins to the back, I flipped them to the front, and then I just clipped them into the braid that I just created from my leave out. And this just helps to hide the track and just make everything look more seamless. With this being curly hair, it definitely helps because the poofiness and the curliness of the hair hides the track. So this is definitely an easy way to do a no leave out look. And y'all know we gotta swoop them edges, so I just use Eco Styling Gel and just set my edges the way I wanted. And I actually did like a little curly dip in the front, and I started feeling myself. So here is the finished look, y'all. I did the trendy hairstyle that I'm sure you guys, if you haven't seen it, you probably will be seeing it because this is super cute, and I definitely think it's perfect for the summertime. And it's really not that hard to do, y'all. I promise. You just section your hair off, use your edge control, take your time, try to get it nice and parted, and you got you a look. You don't even have to do 4, you could do 3. Make it easy on yourself. So yes, I'm definitely loving this style, and I definitely wouldn't have been able to achieve it without my clip-ins from Curlsqueen. So again, I am wearing the 16-inch clip-ins in their water kinky curly texture. For this look, I used 8 pieces out of the 10 pieces that I received. One full set does come with 10 pieces, and it is 100% human hair. So if you guys are interested in this hair, I'll have all of the information in my description box along with a discount code, because who doesn't want to save some monies? So definitely check that out. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you have any questions, just leave them below, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.